हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, मैं आप लोगों के लिए न्यू प्रोजेक्ट लेके आता हूं। आज हम एक और न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे। इफ़ यू आर स्टे बाय दिस प्रोजेक्ट, यू विल गेट द बेनिफिट इन द फ्यूचर। So start the video. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Don't forget to click the bell icon. So start the video. First of all, we talk about this project. Crypto Emergency Information Platform of the Future. A new information platform based on the smart blockchain to share experience and help newcomers. By CEM, ICO and in 79 days, 13 hours, 50 minutes. The ICO of the token will end on January 31, 2022. About why choosing Crypto Emergency International Portal for exchange of experience and investment. The main purpose of the project Crypto Emergency is the building up of in an international crypto community. For such a major project, it is essential to have a solid foundation. That's why we decide to create our own cryptocurrency token, Crypto Emergency CEM. Starting from now, you can check out its BSC scan profile by clicking on the link. ये हमारा लिंक दिया गया है, इस पे आप देख सकते हैं। Owing to the spectacular growth of digital finance, the number of frauds of schemes related to ICO is also increasing. However, we think about people who trust us. So to minimize investors' risks, the main amount of token will be locked for 3 years, with some part being unlocked once a year. The next measure is aimed at the profits growth of our community's participants. Once in 6 months, we are going to buy our token back out of the exchange in the amount of 5% of the company's revenue at any price and burn them. By doing so, we reduce token offers. Furthermore, some part of token will be burnt at every transaction. For our first investments, for our first investor of the project, 15% discount is granted at the ICO stage. Keep up to date on our news to be informed among the first about the date of the ICO holding. Sincerely yours, Crypto Emergency. Sign up, register on Crypto Emergency and find answers to your question. Learn new things, becomes professional in the crypto world, be an active user of Crypto Emergency. Receive token, get profit from your experience and investments. Our token, what is Crypto Emergency CM token? Instant profit, we buy back token, unique promising idea, burn token, unlimited emission, global system and security, pre-sale, 15% off, unique opportunity for your investment. By CEM token sale term, name CEM, fixed limit 187 million CEM, soft cap 500,000 USD, exchange 1 ETH, 15,500 CM currency ETH BTC. Main purchase 100 CM, start September 30, ends January 31. Fund distribution, our me $0.20 token price, 2.5 million soft cap, 56 million token sale, 187 million tokens. Tokens distribution, 25% pre-sale, 15% founders and team, 10% seed investment, 10% redemption, 10% marketing, 30% project roadmap, our strategy and project plan. September 2020, the emergency of an idea. October 2020, creating a group of traders on Binance. January 2021, the appearance of a team of all specialists. Feb 2021, we have started the selection of specialists for all countries. May 2021, we have started the development of the website. August 2021, we have created our token, getting ready for the ICO. September 2021, the start of the pre-sale launch of the portal and the main functions. CM token price $0.2. ICO participants 180,000 plus. Supported countries 54. Keep up to date with our progress. Subscribe for email updates. Send documents. One of the project's flavor is a new model of platform participants in interaction, and which any interested person can get free help for our experts in terms of crypto. Them, the experts level will be rated by the platform users, and every person will be able to see the top list to easily decide in whose favor to make a choice. White paper, FAQ, frequently asked questions. What is our main goal? The international platform Crypto Emergency. People from all over the world communicate here. Join us. When will ICO start? How to buy CEM? How to get in touch with us? In what ways can you cooperate with us? In the news media about us. July 27, 2021, Crypto Emergency's main purpose. ICO is becoming one of the most profitable investment among brokers all over the world. Front page of news outlets and tabloids are overloaded with posts on cryptocurrency. When you decide not to fall behind and invest in cryptocurrency, you will face many pitfalls. What exchange will be better to choose? What wallet to install? How to sign up? How to get money out of a wallet? And many other questions. Surfing the internet, you can spend a lot of time doing it and not to find a needed answer. Everything is scattered among different resources and you will get tired very fastly. However, there's a great number of people who have passed these stages and have become professionals or experienced user in the world of cryptocurrency. They can share this information with you absolutely for free. For this purpose, we developed the platform Crypto Emergency, where you can find absolutely an information about crypto world on the single website and get help from professionals. All questions and answers are on the single resource Crypto Emergency. Join us, follow the news, and you will know the launch date of the platform. 2021 international platform in modern world language is not an obstacle anymore. Our team try to keep pace with the times and offer the unique opportunity for peoples who are interested in cryptocurrency tradings. 10 July 2021 bounty program. The platform Crypto Emergency is not only for professionals but also for people familiar, familiarizing with the world of cryptocurrency for the first time. 23 July 2021 Token Emergency CEM. The main purpose of the project Crypto Emergency is a building up of an international crypto community. 21st July 2021 Crypto Emergency has created its YouTube channel. The channel is about crypto finance and cutting edge blockchain projects. Contact, get the touch, name, email, message, submit message. For our first investor of the project, 15% discount is granted at the ICO stage. info@cryptoemergencies.com। दोस्तों आप इसको देख सकते हैं फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, ट्विटर पे। उम्मीद करते हैं आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। लाइक करें और व्यूज़ दें। शुक्रिया।